Namaste, guys. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I just came back from Vietnam, my first international trip, and oh my god, I need to tell you about this craziest tech shopping that I did in Vietnam. Look at this. I bought the amazing Insta360 Flow 2 gimbal, and guess what? I saved around 5,000 rupees. Yes, 5,000 rupees. In this video, I'm going to show you how cheap are these iPhones and Samsung phones in Vietnam and my epic gimbal unboxing. This thing is sick. You need to watch it. And I'll help you with the secret tricks that will help you to buy tech items abroad, which cards to use and which ones to avoid, and where exactly to go shopping in Vietnam to save a ton of money and get good deals. By the end of this video, you will know how to save tons of money on gadgets. So stick around till the end. But first, hit that like button, subscribe button, and if you love tech deals, let's go. Alright, so imagine this. You just landed in Hanoi airport and you're like, dude, I need internet right now. Don't worry, I got you. So there is this company called Viettel in Vietnam. Think of them like Airtel or Jio of India, but this one is for Vietnam. They are everywhere and it's the best one in Vietnam, according to me. According to me, I went to their store in Hanoi once we packed up our bags and once we settled down in our hotel, and then we went to buy the eSIM card. So we left to Viettel store. Now, what is an eSIM? It is very simple. Instead of putting this tiny SIM card in your phone, you just scan a QR code and boom, you have internet. No cutting cards, no hassles. It works like magic. We are in Vietnam Street and we are going to get our eSIM. Let's see how the drill is gonna be. You see, these are all dishes of those banh mi, they say, which is quite good compared to all other foods over here in Vietnam, according to me. I'll show you around. Viettel. So we have. So this is Viettel. We are here. Okay, guys, let me show you around. Once we went to this Viettel store, the staff was very helpful. They helped us set this up within just 5 minutes. Easy peasy process. But here's where things get interesting. While I was in the Viettel store, I saw phone offers everywhere. iPhones, Samsung, and all big brands. And I was like, wait, are these cheaper than India? Spoiler alert, they are. I just can't believe the price. 17 Pro Max here is for 3,165 dong. Okay, that is around some million, which will be nearly just 1 lakh. I was I'm so surprised. And look at the 17 price. See this? And see this? I could have got it from your guys. Oh god. So while they are doing the SIM work, I was just checking the iPhone Air, and it's so thin and lightweight. Man, guys, so thin now. See, this is 17 Pro. Look at the difference. See, you see? Nice. And see the difference between 17 Pro and खेल रहे भाई साहब 17 iPhone. So where to find this VTL store? In Hanoi or in Vietnam, they are everywhere. Just type VTL in Google search and you'll find the nearest VTL store. The one that I went to is in the description below. So here's the thing. If you are into phone gadgets, then go for Hanoi because Hanoi has the best offers for phones. But for your other tech gadgets like gimbal or other accessories, Ho Chi Minh is the best place to go. This is according to me from what I have seen in Hanoi, and when I compared it to the Ho Chi Minh rates, I found best deals for phones in Hanoi and best deals for other gadgets, gimbal, earphones, or speakers, laptops, etc. in Ho Chi Minh City. Let me blow your mind with these numbers. You will be saving around 10 to 30,000. That's like a whole trip cost either to Goa or anywhere in India. But wait, there is more to it. Remember, I told you about the saving money thing? There is this thing called VAT refund. What's VAT? Think of it like a tourist discount that the government gives you when you leave the country. It's about 10% of what you paid. So your savings become bigger. And apart from this vehicle store, there are n number of stores in Old Quarter in Hanoi. It's the busiest area but the most happening area with lots of shops, be it your bag shops or your caps or any accessories, but it also has a lot of tech shops, and there are number of official Apple stores like F Studio where you can buy real genuine iPhones with full warranty. Also, there are a lot of Samsung stores which has by far the best offers in Vietnam. Now, Hanoi is the king for the phones. But if you want cool stuffs like gimbal, I'll explain you what's that in a bit. But cool stuffs like gimbal, drones, laptops, Bluetooth speakers, and all your camera stuffs. Then you need to check out the Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. People also call it Saigon. So I found this awesome store near so-called Saigon Square in District 1. Well, think of it like Sarojini Nagar in Delhi, commercial streets in Bangalore, or Dadar in Mumbai. Super busy shopping area with great branded deals. And this is where I found my treasure. Wait, what's a gimbal? Great question. You know, when you're walking and when you hold up your camera, it becomes all shaky and not so sturdy. Videos, a gimbal makes your video very smooth. It's like Hollywood level smooth. It works like having a magical stabilizer for your phone. In return, the output will be quite stable and you don't have to, mess around with stabilization while editing. So I was looking for Insta360 Gimbal Flow 2 Pro, but apparently they did not have it. They had Flow 1. I got that because I had the best deal. So in India, this gimbal cost for about 10,500 or so, but here in Vietnam, I got it for 5,200 bucks. Can you believe it? I saved around 5,000 for this gimbal. I feel it's a good deal for unboxing time. Let's unbox it. They have given a manual, and let's open this one. How do I open? Oh, open here. We opened to the wrong side, but okay. Ah, yes. Mm, yeah. We almost saved 5,000 on this. Let's open this one. Really excited. Mm. Ooh, looks really cool. Ah, wow.
Oh my god. Wow. Review coming soon. Ah. Okay, this is a magnetic stick to hold the mobile. Maybe we'll have to fix it and then get back to you. Excited. Review coming soon. Yay. It's not a manual. This is a pouch they have given. Okay, manuals are inside this. Okay. And yeah, the other manuals are here. How to shoot, setup guide, and they have also given a cable. Nice. Okay, great. Excited to try this. Let's see how it goes. Wait for my review. See you guys.
Well, I would also like to tell you that there were also DJI branded gimbals which I found, but I did not find a great deal. There was just a difference of 3,000 or 4. And although DJI is also a great brand for your drones or your gimbal, well, you can check that out. But it did not, according to me, it did not fit in my budget. So I kind of left it and I chose Insta360 because I feel this is a great option and a great deal. They also have an international warranty. So in case if this breaks or there are some damages, then I can fix it in India itself. I don't need to go, take that hassle of going to abroad and fixing it or something. You can just fix it in India. That's a great one. All right, friends, this is super important. Pay close attention to this because this is where most people mess up. Let me explain you the different ways to pay in simple terms. Method 1 would be your Forex card. Think of a Forex card like your prepaid card for traveling. Let me break it down. So in India, you go to the bank and put money on this special card. This money gets converted into US dollars. But when you use it in Vietnam, it automatically becomes Vietnamese money. And the best part, you pay almost zero extra charges. I can give you options on some of the good Forex card. First one is your Neo Global card. Second one would be your HDFC Forex card. And the third one would be Scapia credit card. Well, Scapia is the best one, but rest of the two are also great options. With normal credit cards, bank charges you 3.5% extra. That means for every 100 rupees you spend, you pay 3.50 rupees extra. But with Forex card, almost nothing, just 1 to 2%. The second method is your regular credit cards. Let me tell you this, your normal credit cards will work, but remember, you will pay that 3.5% extra charge. Well, I would say it's okay for emergencies, but I would suggest it's not the best choice. The third method is cash, US dollars in specific. This is actually pretty smart choice. Well, what we did was take these Indian rupees to a money exchange shop in India, convert them to US dollars. In Vietnam, change these dollars into Vietnamese dongs, that is Vietnamese currency. The total extra cost would be around for about 1.3%, which is pretty good. Well, this was our personal strategy for shopping. You can copy this too. 60% money you keep it on Forex card for bigger shopping, 30% cash in US dollars. For bargaining and small shops don't take cards, so you would need cash, that is your Vietnamese dong. And 10% you can keep for regular credit cards, just for backup emergencies. If you run out of cash or if you have any issues with the Forex card, then you can use the worst case scenario, that is credit cards. This strategy worked like a charm, so you can use this too. So let's talk about the magic VAT refund trick, which I saw in lot of YouTube videos and read a lot of articles. So you can try this out. I don't know if it works, but I'll tell you what that is. Okay, this is where you can save even more money. It's called the VAT refund. Basically, the government gives you back some money when you're leaving. Let me explain you step by step. It is very simple. Step 1. When you are shopping, spend at least 1600 rupees in one store. Tell the shopkeeper, I want VAT refund invoice. Show them your passport. They need to see it. Keep all your receipts safe. Don't open the boxes yet. Keep everything packed. Step 2. At the airport, this is very important. Go to the airport early for about like around 3 hours before your flight. Before you check in, before you check in your bags. Remember, before checking your bags, find the customs counter. Show them your new gadgets, receipts, and forms. They'll put a stamp on your papers, like a teacher putting stars on your homeworks. Step 3, the interesting, get your money. After customs stamp it, go to the VAT refund counter, give them your stamped papers, they give you cash. Vietnamese money. You get for about 8 to 9% money back of what you spent. Quick math. You buy something for 10,000, VAT refund gives you back 800 to 900 rupees. Free money. Alright, squad, let me give you this complete cheat sheet. Write it down somewhere. The golden rules. Remember these. Ask the shopkeeper, do you have VAT refund? Look for the tax free logo at the store. For phones, go for Hanoi. Brands like iPhones, Samsung, and OnePlus are way cheaper and you'll get a great deal in Hanoi. For cool gadgets and accessories, you can go to Ho Chi Minh City. Gadgets like Insta360, DJI, drones, MacBooks, Bluetooth speakers, all these you'll get at great deals. Use Forex cards and you'll save tons of money. Bargain politely. You can usually bargain up to 5 to 10% of discount if you bargain with a smile and with respect. Also, check for warranty. Make sure it says international warranty so that you can fix in India if needed. iPhones and Samsung phones are way better in Vietnam. And that's a wrap. Let me quickly recap everything. I saved around 5,000 rupees on my Insta360 Flow 2 gimbal. iPhones are around 20,000 to 30,000 cheaper in Vietnam than in India. Used smart Forex cards to get the best deals. And most importantly, everything has international warranty. So basically, they are quite safe for repair or damage if needed. Vietnam is seriously an underrated country for buying tech. Low prices, VAT refund, and quality product is equal to best deal ever. Important note for you. When you come back to India, customs usually allow only one personal electronic item without problems. But you can always check the latest rules before you travel. Better safe than sorry. Did this video help you? Then smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Are you planning your trip to Vietnam? Then drop your questions in the comment section below. I'll reply and help you out. Want more tech deals? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos of mine. Alright guys, that's it for today. Until next time, happy shopping, stay safe and keep exploring. See you in the next one.